Hello, how you doing? Welcome back. On the menu today, really simple. We're going to make a chickpea curry or Chana masala. Very, very easy to make. Absolutely delicious. Got some wonderful spices in there. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here then. So I've got some chickpeas here. These are cooked chickpeas. If you're going to use them from a can, give them a nice wash in some cold water. The water that they come in is not so beautiful. 1 onion, 1 tomato, cut nice and small, as you can see, about equal amounts. Some fresh cilantro or coriander, fresh chopped green chili to taste, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We use it all the time. You can buy it in a jar from most supermarkets, depending on where you live. Or like us, we actually make it. We use loads of it, so we make it ourselves. 2 teaspoons of black mustard seeds, and then 1 teaspoon each of chili powder, turmeric, coriander, and cumin. Let's get moving. Okay, so I've got a pan here. You're gonna need some sort of pan or something. I've got this little wok. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. I'm gonna drop in those black mustard seeds. Just let them do their thing in the oil, just for a few seconds. We're on a medium heat at the moment, or just above a medium heat actually. Then we're going to drop in our onion. Okay, let's go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we can start adding some other ingredients. So as you can see, the onions have changed colour. We're now going to add in our garlic ginger paste, the fresh chilli, the cooked chickpeas, the tomato. Try and use a nice ripe tomato and cut it nice and small. We're then going to add in our powders. Let's have a look at those just one more time. So equal parts of chili powder, turmeric, cumin, and coriander. In they go. If you wanted, you could be using a curry powder of your choice. We're going to get in there some salt, and we're going to cook this for 4 minutes on this above medium heat, stirring often. Absolutely fabulous. What we're going to do now is add a little bit of water. Stay on this heat. About another 4 or 5 minutes. We're pretty much done. Really simple and delicious. Look at that. Really, really beautiful. Off goes the heat now. In goes some beautiful fresh coriander or cilantro, whatever you call that. I'm going to give that a little mix in there. This is done. Let me see you at the table. And there you go, beautiful. You can eat that with rice. I actually like to eat that with some sort of bread, like a chapati or a roti or something like that. But yeah, really simple, nice, easy, vegan recipe. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Do give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.